Chinese mouthpiece has attacked Make in India. Yes, these are the latest updates coming in. Haste won't make India manufacturing power, is what Global Times has said. Indian netizens question India's capability. Chinese mouthpiece has attacked Make in India. China is clearly worried, it seems, by India's Make in India push. Managing editor of NewsX, Rishabh Gulati, is joining us for more on this story. Rishabh, it seems China is clearly rattled by India's Make in India push.
Look, Uday, it had to be inevitable at some point of time, right? There has been a blow to Chinese companies. TikTok is wiped out from India. It is now facing a global wipeout. The companies that hold some of these major Chinese companies, like ByteDance and Tencent, they are have seen a $50 billion valuation loss in just the past few days. The value of Chinese mobile phones sold in India is dipping very, very rapidly. They've seen a multi-percentage fall in just the past few days. Now, what the Chinese are specifically having an issue with is the mobile phones and the defense construction. And they say that, look, if you don't get from the world, you will be unable to make yourself. And this is a signal of how worried they actually are. That once you start doing propaganda logic, it shows you the example that you have begun to do the calculations of what this is actually going to cost you. Let me give you a small example for our viewers. All the investments China has made in Pakistan, all of them, CPEC, everything, loans, everything included, is $60 billion. China has been making that same amount, $60 billion a year, from India. And it's not just about the current status of the Chinese goods that are sold. It is the future. The only other massive market on the face of the planet is India. The only other market that is going to create troves and troves of data to become the number one AI player is India. You needed access to the high-tech services of India. Now that access is being denied, you are losing out for the next 10, 20-year plan that you made. You are now face a serious threat. Why they don't want defense production happening in India is for obvious reasons. You don't want India to be self-reliant on defense. They want us to be constantly bleeding at every step in paying foreign exchange and having to buy weapons from abroad. And they are hoping that the maximum amount of weapons we buy is from Russia so that they'll have blueprints of everything and know exactly what their strengths and weaknesses are. So there is now a deep concern that the Chinese, which are currently taking on the Americans in a very, very costly trade war. You've seen what's happened with Huawei. They've already shut down their chip manufactories in Taiwan. They've had to shut down their chip manufactories a couple of days ago in the US. Huawei as a smartphone maker has all but been wiped out. Huawei as a telecom giant is most likely going to be wiped out. That's the biggest telecom company in the face of the planet, is facing a wipeout. They've lost their 5G contract in the UK, won't certainly get it in the US. In the UK, all Huawei telecom equipment is going to be pulled out. India certainly ain't giving them a 5G contract, and most likely the 60% of the Huawei equipment that our telecom operators use over the next few years is also going to be phased out. As a major telecom operator, Huawei will be wiped out. It will be reduced to a national player. They don't manufacture their own chips in China. For them to start manufacturing it is going to take multiple years. So now the PR has begun. You have the Chinese envoy sitting here. His team is threatening Indian journalists. But at the same time, he's talking about peace with India. The only reason he's talking about peace with India is because they don't want to deal with the consequences right now. They'll give you nothing, talk peace, and we'll say, oh, they're talking peace. Oh, so nice. And then if we back off, then they'll come back and hunt again another day. And this is what we have to be deeply aware of. And it is very heartening that not only Uday are we holding our fort, both on the frontiers, yes. You've seen what's happened yesterday with the Andaman Islands, but on the digital front, on the economic front, but we are now making sure that the Chinese companies are wiped out. You saw with the production-linked incentives of Chinese mobile phones. Not a single Chinese mobile phone maker could apply for it. You now have Apple manufacturing out of Chennai, Samsung is coming in a big way, South Korean, LG coming in a big way, South Korean. So this is having an impact, and of course you expect the Chinese mouthpieces to get angsty about it.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.